In the corporate world, time is the essence. There will be people who will surpass you within a very short span of time. Don't give others that chance. Grab that chance yourself. Calling you for this 3-day upcoming workshop on Agile Scrum and Kanban. It is restricted to only 30 people. There is a reason that it is restricted to small group. When I used to give trainings in the corporate world, the participation has to be restricted, because then only you are able to interact well with everyone, you are able to talk to everyone, you are able to discuss things with everyone. This is not a one-way workshop where I'll be talking and you'll be listening. It's a two-way workshop where we both will be talking, we both will be listening, and we both will be learning. I want to make it very, very interactive. We are going to discuss Agile, Scrum, Kanban in detail. I'm going to miss out anything, whether it is values, whether it is principles, whether how it works, whether there are any ceremonies, whether there are any metrics, any things on leadership, things on handling team. And if you want to invest in yourself and you feel time is a commodity that never comes back, that is what I feel as such. Join in, and I'll see you in the workshop.